Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can fix Fluent form not sending email in WordPress. By the way, if you want to build a professional e-commerce website, then you can watch my video on that. So let's go to the form. Let's try to fill this form. Click on send, and here you can see that the error occurs over here. On your end, it can be a little bit different and the form does not submit. So we will see how we can fix this issue in WordPress. So if you are using any form builder, process is the same. So to fix it, we will go to the cPanel. So here is my web hosting and I will log into the cPanel. If you face issue in login to the cPanel, you can directly find email accounts option on your hosting. If you don't find that, just contact your hosting provider and you can ask them about how you can create an email account on your domain. So here is the email account option in cPanel. Because I am using a cPanel hosting, so I have this option inside my cPanel, and here we will have to click on create to create a new email. And here you can select your domain name. Here you can write any username. For example, I can write info, so it will be, so the email will be like info@umarjeweler.com, and here you can write a password. So here I have written the password, and here you can set the storage space for this email. So I recommend you to have it less, so I can just say 256 MB. Click on create. Make sure to save your password at a secure location and copy it because we will need it in this process. So let's go back to the WordPress, and now let's go to the dashboard, and we will have to install a new plugin, and we will have to set up the SMTP server to fix this error. So it's basically very simple. So just go to the plugins, click on add new. So just type WP SMTP. So I have used this plugin and this one as well, so both work fine, so you can install any of them. I personally use this one more. Click on activate, and here you will see this setup wizard. You can click on let's get started. Here you can select other SMTP because we are using SMTP created with our host. So just click on save and continue, and here you have to write the SMTP host. In my case it is my domain name, so you can try it with your domain name, and if it does not work, then you will have to contact your hosting provider and you will have to ask them to provide your SMTP host name. So they will give you that, and you just have to enter that over here. And here you need to select the encryption type. You can try it with the TLS first of all, otherwise you can try it with SSL. So these are the two options that mostly works. In my case it is TLS. If you know which one is your, then you can directly use that. Otherwise you can try any of these, or you can also contact your hosting provider so that they will tell you which encryption type they are using. And here you will have to write the username, which is basically the complete email. So we have created info@umarjeweler.com, and here you have to write the SMTP password, which is the email password. So I have added my password, you can write your own. And here we have from name. So this is the name from which the email will be sent, so just keep it your website name, and you can also toggle this on so that on all forms the from name will be replaced if you want. Otherwise you can keep this toggle off. And here you can write the from email from which the email will be sent. So just write the email that you have created and make sure to turn this on. Click on save and continue, and here scroll down, click on save and continue, and here you can skip this step and skip this one as well. Now it is checking the mailer configurations. So here you can see it says congrats, you have successfully set up WP Mail SMTP. Now scroll down and click on send a test email, and here write the email to which you want to test. So I can type this and I will click on send email. So an email will be sent to this email to check if the server is working all good. So here you can see email is sent. So here you can see I have received the email. So if you receive the email in spam, then just go to YouTube and search DMARC KM Webverse, and here you will see several videos that I have created to set up DMARC record. So when you will set the DMARC record, then the email will directly land in the inbox and it will not go in spam. so make sure to check it out. And now let's go to the website and test the contact form. So just fill the information, click on send. So here you can see the submission was successful. And now let's see if we have received the submission. So here you can see we have received the submission. So that's how you can fix WordPress form not sending email, whatever plugin you are using for that. So the process is the same, and that's how you can set up the SMTP server to fix the WordPress not sending email. If you have found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.